So how do you access all files on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials I have coming up on this channel and I don't want you to miss them. So naturally, to browse your files, make sure that you get to the Files app, which is like this folder icon, and you'll be able to see all of the different locations. So you might have some files stored in the On My iPad local storage, but it might be part of the the iCloud drive, and it's the cloud storage, right? So you can see a different set of files there. So if you want to access it all, make sure to go to this browse section and choose the proper location. Plus, make sure that it's also enabled and synced with other services. For instance, you can open up your settings, tap on Profile and iCloud, and you can check out your storage situation for iCloud. And if you, for example, have the iCloud photos turned off, you can enable it, and you're gonna get access to the photos stored on iCloud. So you will access all of the files, right? Even more. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, there are plenty of different approaches to this. Like, you're gonna start browsing the settings and also the general section and the iPad storage. You can also see the files in different applications as well. So, it depends on what exactly you want to do, but these are the main ways how you can get to the files there. So let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If there is something which I didn't mention and you had it on your mind, let me know about that below so I can make an updated video about it. Stay tuned so you don't miss it by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.